Good morning, everyone. I'm Angela. I'm glad that you're here, and I'm glad that over the next couple of weeks, we'll all be making and writing some really interesting things together. Today's lesson is going to help you pull out what are called relevant details from something that we read together. I have two books to share. The first is called The Most Magnificent Thing by Ashley Spires. She also illustrated that book or drew the pictures for it. And the second book is called Drawn Together by Min Lay. It's illustrated by a man named Dan Santant. I've left links to both of these books at the bottom of the lesson page. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page that this video is on, you're going to find a link to each of the books, and they've been brought to life on video in some ways that are really beautiful. I want you to take a peek at both of them today. And as you do, I want you to ask yourself, what does each book teach me about what it means to make something? Why is making important? These are two very good questions. What does it mean to make something? And why is making something important? What makes making so important? When we pull relevant details out of a book, we pay attention to the questions we've been asked, and we zoom in on or focus in on the information that helps us answer that question. So as you read today, keep those questions in mind and try to pull out answers or details that help you answer them. When we come back tomorrow, we're going to be brainstorming some different things that we might consider making. Everyone will have the opportunity to make something that matters to them. And when we make things together, we're not necessarily looking for it to be perfect. So I encourage you to take some risks this week and to try to do some things that are hard. I'm going to try to do the same thing right beside you. So have some fun taking a peek at these books today, thinking about what it means to make something and why making things is an important part of our lives. I will see you right back here tomorrow. If you have questions, make sure that you reach out to your teacher first rather than leaving a comment here. He or she will be able to help you find the answers that you need. And if that isn't possible, that's the person that should reach out to me. This will stop us from getting into a whole quagmire of a million people emailing and sending messages back and forth and the answers getting lost in the fray. Enjoy all of your reading today. I hope that it's sunny where you are, and I'll see you back tomorrow to begin thinking about what we will be making.